and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Boat Rapid Dual Port Car Charger with micro USB cable. We can see the product itself through this clear plastic window on the front. Up top, we can see that the product is Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 certified, and over here we have the entire model name. There's nothing on the top. There's some Boat branding on the left and right hand side of the package. On the bottom we have some quick charge information like its trademark and stuff like that. And on the back we have an illustration where the two ports have been called out with its power rating. The first port is a 5 volt 2.4 ampere smart IC port, and the other one is a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 port. We can also see that we have a free micro USB cable included in the package, and on the right hand side we have an illustration of the charging speed via quick charge. For example, it says that after 35 minutes of charge, quick charge can get the battery up to 80%, while traditional chargers simply manage 25%. Over here, we have a brief description about the quick charge technology. The product also comes with a lot of safety measures like short circuit protection, over voltage protection, and overcharge protection. Over here, we have another illustration with the power values of each port. The first one, as we already know, is 5 volts at 2.4 amperes, and the other quick charge port has multiple power options like 5 volts at 3 amperes, 9 volts at 2 amperes, and 12 volts at 1.5 amperes. Moving on, we have the social media handles of the brand on the left. At the bottom, we have some information regarding the importer, manufacturer, and customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material. First up is a brochure in which we have some of the other products that Boat manufactures like headphones, truly wireless earphones, speakers, smartwatches, and stuff like that. Next up is a warranty card. This card has instructions on how we can activate the product's warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. We also have a Boat head sticker. Coming to the two products, first we will look at the micro USB cable. It has a USB type A interface on one end and obviously a micro USB interface on the other. Both interfaces have a bit of Boat branding on them. The cable itself is nylon braided and really sturdy. It is also black and red in color and approximately 40 inches in length. Coming to the car charger, we can see that it has a glossy black finish all around it. There's some Boat branding on the front and on the back as well. On the left hand side, we have the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 branding. Up top, we have the contact points for which basically go into the 12 volt outlet in a car. On the other side, we have the two charging interfaces, both USB Type A interfaces. The red one up top is the Qualcomm 3.0 interface, and the one on the bottom is the standard interface. So that's about it in terms of the unboxing of the Boat Rapid